Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. First of all, just ignore my voice today. I almost didn't make this video, but when I saw this opportunity, I said no, somebody out there needs to see this. So I show up anyway, because what I'm about to show you is one of the fastest and most straightforward ways to relocate right now. And the crazy part, you don't need an agent, you don't need to guess, and you don't need to struggle looking for fake websites. Everything is structured, verified, and already working. But listen, most people will watch this video, get excited, and still not take action. So if that's not going to be you today, drop a ready in the comment right now. Let me see who is serious. Hi everyone, welcome back once again to the channel. If you are new here, you're very much welcome. My name is Peace, and on this channel, I share everything in relocation that will help you live, study, and work abroad. So feel free to like this video, subscribe, comment, and share. My returning subscribers, you know how we do it here. Real info, verify links for your convenience. Without further ado, just imagine this, okay? You apply for a job, and the company not only gives you the job, but they process your visa, help you relocate, support your family, and sometimes even help you settle in. Sounds like those too good to be true stories, right? But it's actually real. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works, step by step. Before we go into it, let me tell you something most people don't understand. Relocating abroad is not hard because opportunities don't exist. It's hard because people don't know where to look and how to keep themselves positioned. That is it. And today, I'm fixing that for you. So the pathway we are looking at today is for people who want to move as skilled workers. Don't panic. When you hear skilled, it doesn't mean you have to be very techy, right? It simply means you can offer value, you can work, you can fit into a company role. That's all. But here's the most important part. For you to move through this route, you must have a job offer, and the employer must officially approve to sponsor you. Now, not every company can do this, and this is where most people get it wrong. They apply randomly, they waste time, and they get frustrated. But today, I'm going to show you the shortcut. So make sure you watch this video to the end. I'm going to be revealing the country at the end of this video, so don't skip or blink. Now, let's simplify everything so you don't get overwhelmed. To qualify, you first of all need a valid international passport, a clean record, that's no serious criminal issues attached to your name, okay? Then you have to show that you are not a threat to the country, and you have to fill a declaration background form, okay? That is it. Simple. Just these 4 things and you are good to go. There is also a medical test requirement in some cases, but guess what? Many people are exempt depending on the situation. So don't let that scare you, all right? Now, let's talk about salary, because it's very important, because I know someone's already thinking, will they even pay enough? Yes, but there's a minimum requirement. For some roles, you're expected to earn around 2,000 euros monthly and above, depending on the role. And for higher skill roles, it can go much higher. But listen carefully, this is not money you pay. This is what they pay you, okay? So, and this is where things get interesting. There is an official list of companies that are already approved to sponsor foreign workers, not 10, not 50, thousands of companies. Let that sink in for a sec. And these companies are actively hiring, meaning you are not begging, you are not guessing, you are applying directly to real employers. So what do? Very simple. You take the company name, write this down, search it on Google, go to their careers page and apply. That is it. No middleman. Now, let me show you something that made me pause. There are companies that literally say, we will relocate you, we will handle your visa, we will support your move. One example is a tech company offering flight tickets, visa processing, accommodation support, even support for your partner and children. Some even help you learn the language, settle in faster, and integrate easily. So, this is not just about getting a job. This is about starting a new life. Now, let me be honest with you, besties. This is where many people mess it up. They watch videos like this, get motivated, and then do nothing. Or they say, oh, I don't have experience, I don't know what to apply for, or I'm scared, or language barrier. That is why I always tell you, don't rely on one income stream. Don't rely on one opportunity. While you are applying for jobs, you should also be building something online, because what if it takes time to get hired, or you want extra income when you relocate? This is exactly why I started my digital business, and today people are making money from their phones anywhere in the world without waiting for visa approval. So imagine this for a second. You apply for relocation opportunities, and at the same time you are building an income stream online. That's power. If you are serious about that, just comment online and I will guide you. Okay. Now, if you have watched this video till this point, you deserve to know where this opportunity is. The country we're talking about is the Netherlands. Yes, this is one of the most structured, transparent, fast processing countries right now. And yes, some visas are processed in as little as 3 weeks. So, here's what I want you to do right now. Start checking approved employers. Apply directly on their website. Don't overthink it. Just start and position yourself properly. And if you want me to make more videos on other visa routes, easier jobs, step-by-step application guides, drop more in the comments. If this video helped you, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and subscribe, because someone out there needs this. And besties, we are not chasing visas here. We are building freedom. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remain blessed and know that Jesus loves you, and I do love you too. Bye for now.